To make money online, you have to read this. Many people today are looking for different ways to supplement their income to help them earn a living, and one of those ways is through making money online. If this has been something that is drawing you to take a closer look at, then the following video is just for you. Keep watching for solid tips on how you can go about making money online. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. Sell some of the junk that you have around the house on eBay. You do not have to pay to set up an account and can list your product any way that you want. There are many different training sites that you can use to get started the right way on eBay. Design unique logos for some of the new startup sites on the web. This is a great way for you to show the talent that you have and also help someone out who is not artistically skilled. Negotiate the price with your client in advance before you provide your service. Remember that who you work for is as important as the work you do. Anyone who is looking for workers who will be happy with working for pennies isn't the kind of employer you want to work under. Look for someone or a company who pays fairly, treats workers well and respects you. As you can see from the above video, anyone can make money in the online world when they have a good idea and solid tips to follow. If you have been reluctant in the past to use the internet as a way to make money, you shouldn't have to worry any longer now that you watch this video. Keep studying this topic, and soon you will see how it is possible to make money online. Student loan.